Hello sparrows, I am Lin, and today I want to talk about change. Yeah, time is my most important pattern, believe it or not. You see, because without time, there is no change. There is no before and after. There is only what is in a moment, if you could say that a moment is outside of time itself. But without time, nothing can happen. I believe time, in theory, is one of the greatest patterns in the universe, greatest, I guess, power in of itself. When I think of power, I think capability. Excuse my poor handwriting. You see, capability is your ability to do something. It's the cap of your ability. How much of something can you do? And I believe, given enough time, you can do anything. In a sense, time is responsible for where everything is. Time is what allows stars to form, planets to form, atoms to get more, to become atoms. So I believe to become the most capable man, or in a sense, the most powerful man, you would need lots of time. However, you could be a very, very capable man as long as you know the right ways to change in order to do more in less time. Which is exactly why compression is such an important concept. Fitting many things in a small space and combining it makes the thing that you combine into more valuable, more powerful, able to have more influence on the things around it because it's more dense and oftentimes more useful if you do it correctly. This pairs well with the idea of accumulation. Think of a snowball rolling down a hill. The bigger it gets, the more it could collect. This is the idea of accumulation over time. This is powerful and very similar to how we get stars and planets. Simple pieces coming together to make complex structures and accumulating those structures over time, slowly coming together and building new things on top of those things. This home and this snowball can only exist due to change. This used to be a snowflake. This will melt one day. Everything will change over time. Changing for better or for worse. No matter what, things will always change. Time will always be present. Your hearts and your minds will always change, no matter what. You have to choose whether they change in a positive direction or a negative direction. So, obviously, we should choose a positive direction, right? Positive direction. Okay, positive. Being more positive means you turn a 0 into a 3, or a 3 into 1 million. All right, okay? And so, Sparrow, when you see that my sub count is at 16 subscribers, what should you change your mind and your heart to do? That's right. You should lean towards positivity. Keep a positive mind. And make this... I didn't draw this beforehand. Oh wait, actually, it's a really small number. Make this into this. Alright, okay. So when you see this, you gotta make this into this. Okay, so when you happen to see like just this like really cool thing on YouTube, like only the cool channels like have this like on their little circle, like if you you know what, go look for something that looks kind of like this. I don't know, you might see this for some reason. It's a little bit odd. Anyways, yeah, look for this. Okay, look for this. Okay, and then most importantly, I'm gonna give you two things. Right now. Look for this. Make sure you click it one time. If it's red, only if it's red. I don't know if it's still red. Only if it. Okay, click this until you see this become this. Okay, and click something that looks kind of like this. That looks something like this. Okay, you got that, Sparrow? Thank you. Good night.